all over here. You're having a little too much fun for not really... She's going crazy. It's like she did that one day where she just started kicking the ball. No, just throw the phone. Or is she going to stop? No, she's going to stop. Are you beating that pillow up? Are you beating that pillow up? Beat that pillow up!
Are you silly?
Such a bad pillow. Are you yelling? Who taught you how to yell? Yeah, I'll clap for that. You know who she's reminding me of right now? Yosemite Sam. Cotton picking, no good tootin', tootin', rootin'. She won't even know what Yosemite Sam is. All right.
Vivian, can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, Mommy. Okay, goodbye. Oh, thank you.